Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And if you haven't subscribed and would like to do so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. And today's video, it's Cats Haunted Halloween YouTube Hop unboxing. Yes, I received this box from Chasing Creativity, and I cannot wait to open this box up. Oh, look at this tape, how gorgeous. I'm going to open the box off camera and I will be right back. I am back and I am going to take all the goodies out this box. And by the way, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, look at this confetti. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's see that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, what she put in here smells like pine cones and cinnamon and pumpkin and everything. Oh, lovely. So, we were required to make a crown and a ceramic skull and give a candle and an embellishment book, but this is like Pastelloween, all pastel colors. That's why she put all these nice confetti here. So let's open up here this one. Oh, look at that. Oh, she gave me these. How cute. I love it. Oh, this is cute. I love it. I have never seen a skull in this shape. It's very cute. She put some rhinestones here, and I love the way she did all the flowers around and the topper, and I think this is just cute. It's gonna be part of my Halloween room decor. Let's put it over here and let's move along. Okay, these are some goodies that she gave me. Let's take, oh, I think this is the embellishment book. Yes, she mentioned that she was making a very big fat embellishment book. And there it is. Oh my goodness, look at that. How cute. How cute. Oh, this is of course full of confetti. Oh, something is coming off here. And my phone rang, sorry. I just have to like pick that phone up. It was nobody important, so, but still. So this is the, oh, look at this. Look at all the details that she put on here. Oh, look at the body and the skeleton. Ah, the nail polish, how cute. Very cute. Oh, look at that. That's her card. Definitely gonna read that out. I wanna break it up. And trick or treat. Oh, look at these goodies. Oh, you know what? Everybody has these coffee cup dies. I don't have it, so. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Look at the mini envelope and the little tab. Oh, more trick or treat. Oh, I love the baddies and the kind of like Maggie Holmes trim and the spider. Ooh, more embellies. Look at these embellies. They're just gorgeous. Hello, magical. Ooh, the baddie bows. Nice. Very nice. Let's see, we have more here. These are really big and thick and fat. Look at that. Oh, look at these. Oh, how gorgeous. And nice. Some confetti. Oh, more trims. And inside, oh, she gave me a lot of things. I know my embellishment book was like very small and minimal. Oh, this is nice. Oh, rosettes. Perfect. Gorgeous and stickies. Ooh, I love it. Oh, and I love the way she sewed these. I know I have to try to sew. I have both machines, and I'm being lazy. I'm like, I have to start like, you know, stepping up this game and start sewing my embellishments. And I love this bow, batty bow with a googly eye. Love it, love it, love it. And some cut up parts. Oh, I love these. Oh, and she gave me doilies. Yes! You know what? I got this iridescent doily from Savala. I don't know if you ever know her, but she sells a lot of goodies at a good price in Instagram. So, and I use them all, so perfect. I got more, and these colors, I love it. And then this is cute. And put a picture here. This happened, and I love these die cuts. Oh, how gorgeous! Look at these. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And ooh, more. She sewed this one, and this is like a shaker pocket with full of confetti. Oh, I love it. I love it. And look how she made these kind of like a tassel. She made a crepe tassel in black tassel. Cute. Love it. And look at this embellished paper clip. This is very cute. Oh, Theresa, this is just beautiful, gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is going to be on my display. And we were supposed to get also a crown, kind of like Katrina style. And you know me, I just have to clean everything up. I love the confetti. Love it, love it, love it. These hello, I don't have these hellos. I'm just gonna put it over here. Okay, I'll just leave it over here. So it was the, oh, she gave me a mug. How nice. You know what? I don't have, Theresa, I don't have a mug, believe it or not. I have a witchy Halloween mug, but I don't have a mug like this. This is gorgeous. Ooh. And I believe this is the candle. That's why it smells so good. Nice. Let's see. It smells so good. I love that. That's neat. This whole package smells so good. Okay. Love that. And I know I keep cleaning stuff, but you know me. Okay, so this is the crown. Wow. Wow, this is a huge crown. This is really nice. Look at all the flowers. How beautiful. Oh, how gorgeous. Lovely. Oh, this can be like I can use these not on my head only, but I can put these on like as a centerpiece for even Thanksgiving, or you know, like put a big vase here with things. So, oh, I love it. I love it. This is really cute. And give me. Oh my goodness. So this is just gorgeous. I love it. I love everything. Oh, I have more goodies. I forgot about that. And the more goodies are, boom, boom, boom. Oh, nice. She gave me some dies. Oh, Crafty Chica. I have a book from her. Oh, how to do the fiesta. Nice. Like for el Dia de los Muertos. Love it. Love it. Thank you very much. And oh, this is the one that is being like killing me. I love it. I love this scent. It's like a mix of flowers and cinnamon and pumpkin and everything. It just smells so good. Thank you. And she gave me this other one. Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't have these stickies. Oh, Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And a notebook too. Oh, how neat. Oh, cool. So I can do my journaling. I started my October daily already. I'll have a video on my October daily in a couple of days. And this is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love everything. Oh, Theresa, thank you very much for putting all these things together. And I love all the goodies. And I hope everyone can see. And this embellishment book is just so divine. I love it. I know it's fat, it's chunky, it's full of color. And look at all the details. She put all her heart on this. Oh my goodness. Okay. And this is it. So these are all the goodies that I received from Chasing Creativity. I am going to leave her information in the description box below, her YouTube channel as well as her Instagram account. If you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and I would like to hear from you. Just let me know what you like, and if you haven't done so, don't forget to click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.